record this right quick. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 2 pertaining to my 21 days of Christmas. So this is my second beauty video. I hope you dolls enjoyed. I kind of went on a silver side and with some red lips. Very holiday-ish, glamish. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell on this side. I think the bell is on this side or anyone. Click the bell so you can get the notifications because I'll be posting every day until Christmas Day. Honey, get your light for this holiday season, baby. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. So let's get on into this video. See you guys in my